Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Subaru Legacy headlights. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a 10mm socket with a ratchet. Always ensure your vehicle is turned off and the parking brake is set for safety. Opening the hood will give you clear access to the headlight assembly. Wearing work gloves can also protect your hands throughout the removal process, making it more comfortable and secure. Next, you'll need to remove the front grille. This is typically held in place by 4 to 6 clips along the top, and sometimes 2 more at the bottom. Use needle nose pliers to squeeze the top clips as you pull the grille free. After the grille is out, locate the Phillips screw securing the parking light assembly. Remove this screw, then carefully pry the parking light forward with a soft trap screwdriver to slide it out, exposing more of the headlight assembly. Now it's time to detach the main headlight assembly. First, disconnect all electrical connectors from the bulbs and the main housing. There are typically 4 10mm bolts holding the assembly in place. You'll find 2 on top, one behind where the grille was, and another behind the parking light. Use your 10mm socket and ratchet to remove these bolts. Once all 4 bolts are out, you can carefully pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its mounting points. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Carefully align the headlight assembly back into its opening, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall and tighten the 4 10mm bolts, but avoid over-tightening. Don't forget to reconnect all electrical harnesses to the bulbs and the assembly. Finally, slide the parking light back into place and secure its Phillips screw, then reattach the front grille, making sure all clips snap firmly. Test your headlights to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.